Today we'll talk about how can you change currency on your Booking Banco app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on profile down here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just go down here and you click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on currency here. So then it's going to show for you this list, and here can you add here suggested for you here for currency. Then here can you choose it. So if you want to add dollar or euro here or pound sterling here, so here another currency can you choose in this list here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.